I was telling a group last night that 20 years ago, actually more than that, 23 years ago about, I was kind of discouraged and kind of dry and not able to sense much, and I knew I had to get my spirit activated and begin to feed my soul. I knew it had to happen, and at that time my primary and maybe my only on-ramp at that point was worship. Well, as you and I know, not all songs speak to our spirit man. In fact, most songs speak to our brain. You know, they got some great chops, you know, the lead player, electric guy, he's doing crazy fun stuff, and you know, and the vocalist has got these great trills, and the drums, he's got these great chops, you know, it's like, whoa, isn't that cool? Is that feeding my spirit or my soul? Probably my soul, because my heart usually has to have simpler things in order to engage. And so anyway, that being said, I knew I had to find songs that made my heart tender. So what I did was, I created for myself a playlist of songs that make me cry. I have 60 or 70 of those songs on my flash drive in my car. It's on my computer right here. It's on my phone right here. And anytime I need to massage my heart, I've got it at my fingertips wherever I go. If it's either in my hip pocket in my phone, or it's in my computer right in front of me as I'm working, or it's in my car while I'm driving. It's right there if I need to massage my heart. So 60 or 70 songs, I listen to one song, that didn't do any good. Next song, no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 songs, but all of a sudden you hit the mother lode. And the mother lode is that song like, oh yes, that is the doctor's orders. That's take 2 and call me in the morning right there, you know. So I put that song on repeat, and I might listen to it 20 or 50 times. It's like, oh, do that to me once again. Once is never enough for a guy like me. Kiss me like you just did. Oh, Jesus, do that to me once again. I kind of adjusted that song a little bit, but you get the idea.